Hello YouTube people, today I will show you how to replace the LCD screen with touch Digizer on your Asus Z380 tablet computer. If you need any parts or tools, you can buy them directly from my video description link, and this will also support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks guys. First we have to remove the backplate, the battery cover. You can use some plastic tool or whatever. Don't ruin your fingers. Be careful. So what I have here is a Z380M. It has a yellow connector. You see, the connection to the flat cable, to the flex cable, is yellow. You have also a version with a green connector. It will not work with this one, so be careful which one you order. This is the Z380M, and you have also Z380C and some other stuff. So before you order your screen, open your tablet and look for the connector, if it's yellow or green. Also disconnect the battery. Maybe always better to disconnect the battery first, of course. So now we will begin with the operation. At first we have to heat up the glass. I'm using around 190 to 200 degrees, and I'm heating this up for around 3 to 4 minutes, and then I tried to put inside a plastic card and then heat again, because it's cooling down very fast, and you need to heat the glass to remove it easier. The glue under the glass is pretty strong, so you will have to make a gap, a big gap, so you can put the plastic card under the screen. You see, I'm using here a lot of plastic tools, and I'm using the heat gun again. So just try with your finger, or so you can see the glass is hot. Always be careful and don't cut your fingers. You know, it's still glass. I always try to lift a little bit the screen, to lift it up, so I can go better with the plastic card underneath. And I remove the small pieces of glass with a precision tool. And then we heat up again. I think better would be if you can, just from the beginning, if you can put a plastic card inside and make a big gap, and the glass won't, if it won't break, then you can go around and around, because if it breaks in small pieces, then it's a little bit more difficult to remove the glass later. Round and around we go, and we never stop, ho ho. Sorry. So you see I put some plastic tools underneath the screen, so it won't glue back together. Then you will have same work 2 times to do. Heat up again, and again, and again. almost. We can lift the screen now up. Okay, that's the screen. And we still have some small pieces of glass which we have to remove from the frame. So this is a speed up video now. I'm just removing the small pieces of glass which were left in the frame. Also, we have to check around the frame if there were still some small pieces of glass, so you have to remove it and clean it. At first I will test the screen if it's working and if the touch is working and everything is fine. So I will place some cards on the glue before assemble it, so it won't stick together, just for testing now. So let's connect the flat cable, carefully always. And now, surprise, surprise, probably the battery is empty. So I will have to put it on a charger and wait for maybe 10 to 20 minutes. So once charged, I can boot it up. Screen is working, touch is working, everything is fine. So we can assemble it. I disconnected the battery again and of course the flat cable. So double check again around the corners, around the frame, because I'm still using the old adhesive. I'm not replacing it because it's still strong and complete, so doesn't matter. Just in the corner I will put some glue and that's it. It will be strong enough. Using here some E8000 glue, which is pretty good. So I'm just cleaning the old dust here. And now let's place the screen inside the frame. In the center, press everywhere around, not too strong for the first time, just to align it first and to see if everything is fine. And now I'm going with a cloth, just around, press it down, stick it better. And I go again, lift it up, and then I go around, press the glass inside, just for a better holding. Let's connect the flat cable again. Don't forget the battery. Assemble the backplate again. Press it. It has to do the click click sound everywhere. Press it inside. Okay, and that's it. Congratulations. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, you can comment below. I will try to answer your questions as soon as possible. And if you want to donate, there is also a donate link in my channel. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. CrocFIX.